Look at that storm, guys.
Olivia's asleep.
We're in the middle of a lightning storm, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh, did you see it?
Should I say Ava? I'm going to take you to Ava.
You're going to show everyone Ava?
Yeah. Hello, Ava. Hi. Is there lightning? Yeah. What, you watching? You're watching? Sing. Sing.
You find the lightning scary?
Yeah. Scary.
You want to go home?
I want to go home, but it's scary.
We've been sat here on the tarmac for
Like,
nearly 2 hours.
I'm going to show you out my window. Ah. Let's go and see. But, okay. See. Is there any? Because that's just rain. But, do you think it's going away? There you go. Wait. Lightning. And do you know what I'm going to show you? What I'm watching. With me. Hey, here you can see how it's going to come forward with things. And you might want to hear it.
All the animals in the whole
You can hear like them. And if you want to watch it, you can just watch it.
Want a pretzel flip? Do you not like these?
I like them. And these. Simple. Don't eat them. I don't like the smell.
You don't like
Oh!
these? So you like pretzels, right?
Yeah, I love them.
You like them both?
These are my favourite ones. These Reese's dipped pretzels.
So you watch the whole movie, Ava?
Yeah, a whole movie and like no take off.
While we're stuck here.
We was just stuck here. We just have to wait until it passes over.
So we had a problem with the plane.
And then a
That took
lightning.
so much time, and then we were going to go, and then there was a lightning storm.
And they just couldn't take off. It's too dangerous.
Yeah, so they couldn't take off.
Because it was too dangerous.
Yeah.
And we don't want. Oh my gosh! Did you see that?
Yeah.
Look outside. You just
I
have
know.
to wait for it for a little moment, and then
I can see it behind you.
Yeah. It was more than that. When it gets like really
And Olivia
is
sleeping
I'll
through
hold
it
the
all.
camera. I'll show
We've
you.
seen her. We
You
saw
saw
her.
her?
Yeah, she's fast asleep.
There's Olivia. That's this seat. And here's my seat. It looks kind of messed up. And there's my telly. Look, it's off. And these are all the movie choices I can like pick off. Smurfs, Sing, Secret Life of Pets, and Lego Batman movie. And whatever this is, I don't know what that film is, but looks pretty cool. And Boss Baby, of course. And those are all of the movies I can pick. So, and there she is. Well, okay. Isla, what are you watching? What? What are you watching? Sing Like Me? Yeah. It's a good movie, isn't it? You want to hear it? Put your headphones on. I don't know if you can hear it, guys, but she wants you to hear it.
So we're in Orlando, right?
And we haven't even taken off yet.
We're going home to the UK.
I'm really sad. I want to tell you a secret, guys, but we haven't told you yet. We're getting a new family member.
Secret. So we've got a big secret to tell everyone.
But we're not going to tell you until we get it.
Are you saying I'm having a baby?
No.
I'm not having a baby.
Let me give you a clue. It's an animal, and
Right, everyone at home, you need to guess.
yeah, I was going to tell you. Guess in the comments below what it could be. A dog, a rabbit, cat, a leopard. I'm just joking. It won't be a leopard.
A leopard?
Just messing about. All right.
Are we gonna get a leopard? What about a tiger?
Any. But guys, it's not a leopard. It's not any of those wild things. Just a simple pet.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
just whatever you guys just guess.
So we're not getting a wild animal?
No.
Yeah, maybe an elephant would be too big.
Elephant too big. Just one of those simple animals like a cat, a rabbit, a dog, any of those.
So exciting.
Any of those
Are we so,
items.
we're so excited, aren't we?
You're so excited, but she is so cute. We've already saw her. We haven't
So
met.
you've given a big clue there. You kind of, well, have you told everyone it's a girl?
Yeah, it's a girl. We're going to tell you something about her, but
And
we're not.
she's cute?
And she's cute. We're not going to tell you all about her. We're just going to tell you how like cute she is, and how well.
We're not even
she
going
is.
to tell anyone what kind of name we're thinking. Maybe that could be a video. Maybe we could ask everyone, all the
Yeah.
viewers or subscribers,
I
say what name we could. We're not going to do that yet, but that might be a
Because-
future video.
It might be kind of helpful, but I think I've already came up with a name.
Yeah, don't tell anyone though,
Don't tell anyone. I'll be a surprise.
because that might give away what kind of animal it is.
Out for the video. We might film it,
Crazy
it-
lightning.
and it may.
Just to keep you in the picture. Unfortunately, we've just
And
spoken to the ramp controller, and he's got a
it
pretty
may.
decent radar up there, and he's saying that there's
Wait,
a lot
was
of
it?
lightning still in the air, and if you have a window seat, you can see that it's still flashing out there. So unfortunately, he's saying probably about another 15-20 minutes. Unfortunately, that's what he said in the first place. But we're just in the lap of the gods at the moment, waiting for the storm to pass.
Finally taking off.
Here, I'll make them in it.
Isla? Isla, we finally got in the air.
Yeah,
Are you really tired?
yeah.
And you're cold?
And we've got them. We've got butter. We've got knife and fork. And we've got these salt and peppers. And we've got our drinks. We've had some crisps. We ate them all.
Do you think you're going to get into your bed soon?
Yeah. And that's my bed behind. And this is my orange juice. And that's your
My wine.
wine.
You can't have wine. You're on the orange juice.
I like it.
Oh no, you've not tasted it.
No. Ava, when she put her hand in it and she splashed me in it, and I put my tongue out.
Taste it?
Yeah. I like Sprite, but not Coke.
No.
No Coke, I like Sprite.
You like your apple juice.
And Olivia's asleep.
Olivia's in bed. She's fast asleep. Say goodnight to everyone.
Good night. I hope you have a great flight.
If you enjoyed this video, why not click on the pictures below to get more great videos by the Disney Toy Collector? And please remember to subscribe.